Meet Maya. Maya moved to the UK from Spain about 4 years ago. In Spain, they have a completely different system for credit, and so when she moved to the UK, she didn't realise how important it would be to have a strong credit history. About a year ago, she tried to apply for a mobile phone contract, but got rejected due to her lack of credit history. At that point, she tried to check her Experian score, but had a problem signing up. A year on, she now has energy bills in her name and a UK bank account with an overdraft. She was also approved for a starter credit card in the last week, which has a limit of £500. She's also managed to get a mobile phone contract in this time. So Maya has done actually pretty well for herself, considering she had absolutely no credit about a year ago. Her priority now should be to contact Experian and find out why she can't register. It might be because she's been using a slight variation on her name since moving to the UK. She should make sure that she's registering with the same name that's on all her credit accounts. And then, if this doesn't work, then she can call Experian Customer Services and ask them to run a postcode search on her to bring all her accounts onto her file. Other than that, she should probably stop making credit applications for the time being. She's got a lot of new credit in a relatively short amount of time, and any more than this could actually bring down her score. Opening lots of credit accounts can make you seem like you're suddenly desperate for credit, so lenders might consider you a risk. It's great that she's managed to get a credit card with a high street bank. With a limit of £500, she should aim to keep the balance below £150. And of course, make sure she always pays it back on time. Lenders like to see that you have credit, but that you don't need to use a lot of it. The last point I wanted to make is that she should be careful using her overdraft. She should make sure to always pay any balance on it as soon as she can and never ever go over the limit because the interest rates are extortionate. But generally, she's doing pretty well and her score should continue to increase with time as long as she uses her credit responsibly. Please note, as always, that this is not financial advice and you shouldn't rely on this to make any financial decision.